Okay, so this is lesson 1-2, the distance and displacement card activity. I want to demonstrate what I want for the diagrams for this card activity in a video. So here's the card, and I just made this one up really quickly. So we know the start position here is -3, and we're using this coordinate plane as our frame of reference so that we can measure these changes in position relative to our frame of reference. So -3 is our start position. Our total distance or length, you know what? Actually, I am going to change that to 7. Okay, and then our total distance is 7 units, and then our displacement is -1. Okay, so the only information that we are missing here is the final position, but we can determine that using our equation. So notice here we're given positions, not individual displacements, so we're going to use this equation to determine the final position. So our displacement is -1. We're looking for the final position, and our start or initial position is -3. So if you do the math, the final position is going to be -4, which makes sense because we want to end up 1 unit to the left, hence the negative, from where we started. Because remember, displacement, it defines the length and the direction from the start position. So you're going to end up 1 tile to the left of where you started. So there's multiple ways to do this. I'm going to show you one way. So we're going to start here at -3. That's our initial position. And we are going to end here at -4. So we have to, adhere to this total distance of 7 units. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 tiles or 3 units to the right, okay? And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the left, okay? So you can see that my final position is -4. And if you count, I have 3 tiles to the right, and then I have 4 tiles back to the left. So the total distance here is 7. Okay, you can also check this using our other equation for total displacement, and that would be delta x1 plus delta x2 and so forth. So here delta x1 would be +3 units, delta x2 would be -4 because to the left units, and here that means that the total displacement is -1. So just diagram 4 of those cards, and then you're going to choose one and you're going to make a video, and I'll show you that later.